Got a Playmobil fire truck and a Bruder fire truck. Wow, isn't that cool? Let's check out the Playmobil one first. Check it out. Got the cab, got the ladder part, hose, extenders, lights. How cool is that? How about we have a look at the ladder goes up so you can take off the roof. The roof comes off and you get a compartment where you can fit 4 firefighters. Room for a fire extinguisher and walkie-talkies. Isn't that cool? Oh yeah, that's cool. Then we got the back. Got the little seat that your firefighter can sit in. Put it in there. Controls the thing. Put your visor up. Hey mate, how you doing? You just move this up and down. There's no actual lever. You just grab it, pull it up. All right. Then you got the bucket. How's that? And this bit here, oh, it extends out. Let's see how high we can get it. Keep going, keep going. Oh wow, look at that. Look how high that is. It's huge. Reach all those fires. Hose. Hose goes up on top. That's awesome. And this thing moves around. Oh wow. Look, the extenders come out. So you can stabilize it. That's pretty cool. Playmobil fire truck, old school version. Let's wind this back in. Don't forget to fold this up. Oh, the roof! Forgot about the roof. Put out a fire. All right, that's cool. Oh, check out the Bruder fire truck. It's huge. Look how big it is. Oh, isn't it awesome? That's so cool. Got rubber wheels. Compartment. Oh, let's check it out. Let's open up the door. Look at that in there. Got the dash, steering wheel. Everything. That's so cool. Let's close the door. Look, even the mirrors pop out. That's so cool. Oh, it's huge. Look, here's the back bit where the firefighter sits to control the boom. Oh yeah. We'll have to get someone to sit in there. But let's open up the ladder. Alright, check this out. This is where the hose is. So there's the hose. This is the part where you put the water in. Very important. You need water to fight the fires. Here's the pump. So you turn this and the water gets out. And this one winds up your hose for you. But before we get to that, let's check out this ladder. Oh, it's gonna be so big. Let's check it out. Oh wow. So this lever here makes it go up and down. Oh, we didn't do the siren. Let's do the siren first. Here we go. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, you can start the engine. All right, well, we better put the bucket out. Let's do that. Let's extend it. So this lever here. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look how far it's going. going out. It keeps going. It just keeps going. When does it stop? Oh, we need, oh, look at that. That's a bit unstable. You know what we need for that? We need these things on the side. We need these. These little outriggers. So you pull them out, and you spin it, and it stabilizes it. Pull this one out, spin it. Oh, there we go, look at that. Now it's stable. Let's keep going. Let's keep extending it. Oh, I can't believe how far it's gone. Look at that. Look how far that is. That is so high. It is so far. It even goes almost off the playset. Wow, look at that. It's going off the playset. That is huge. Oh, that's so cool. Let's bring it back down. So cool. Hey, you know what we should do? We should fill up with water, and we should put out a fire. Yeah, so let's get some water. Hey, here's some I prepared earlier, and we're gonna pour it in. Let's pour it in. Oh, it's thirsty. Okay, that'll do. And you can see how much water you've got here. Little level there. So let's take this out. How long is this hose? It's huge. Look, like I said to you before, you can wind it up. Oh, wind it up. Oh. That's so cool. All right. So this hose bit has to go up on top here because that's where the firefighter's gonna stand. Lock that in like that. Let's make it neater. There we go. That's so cool. Oh no, there's a fire! Quick, we need the fire department. Quick! Let's jump in the back of the... Jump in the back. Jump in here. You operate the ladder arm. That's it. Quick. First we need to put out the stabilizers. One stabilizer. Two stabilizers. Let's get the other ones. Three stabilizers. Last one, stabilizer number 4. All right, firefighter, let's jump up in the ladder and get in. You on the thing? All right, let's go. Up we get. Oh, big ladder. Let's open up the bucket. Put you in there. Whoa. Here we go. Alright, let's get the fire hose. Put it up on the bucket. Alright, extend it out. Put out that fire. Here we go. So now we turn the pump. The water goes throughout the hose. We put out the fire. Yeah, look at that water go. Woohoo! Put out the fire. Fire's getting put out. Yeah, alright. Oh, let's see how far we can shoot it. Come on, let's back the truck up. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, look how far that is. It's from there all the way to there. But we still got to put the fire out. Ready? Let's shoot. See if it's aim properly. Here we go. Oh, did you see that? That's so cool. Put out the fire! Put out the fire! Yeah! Putting out the fire! Oh, that's so cool. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See ya!